So what, if I understand you correctly, you get down to two answer choices. How do you decide between the two, which one is correct, right? Well, first of all, not to make anyone feel bad, but pretty much everyone is getting down to those two. That's 80% of test takers. So most of our work throughout the entire class is going to be focusing on what's the difference between the most tempting wrong answer and the correct answer. And a lot of times it comes down to words. Now in these two questions, in 21 and 23, if you focus on two things: one, understanding the argument up front, and two, anything that's inaccurately describing what happened, that answer choice is wrong. So if you picked B, for example, in question 21, it was your misunderstanding of the word analogy, probably. Right? Like you probably thought, oh, this seems like an analogy, where it's actually not an analogy because it's an example which is within the set. And so that's a situation. Remember how we talked about two ways you can get things wrong? You can get them wrong because of the logic, or you can get them wrong because of your process, really. I wrote word, but really it's like your process. Here it seems like your logic was off, because your understanding of what was being said was incorrect. And so you're like, oh, okay, that's how that word should be understood. So now going forward, whenever you read analogy or analogous, you're going to have a better understanding, a more accurate understanding. In the future, there may be a situation where you know what that word means, but you didn't think about it the right way because you approached the question incorrectly, or you misunderstood what the question was asking. So then you want to work on your process. You're like, oh, I need to slow down, or I need to more carefully understand the argument, or analyze the argument. So whenever you get these questions wrong, just look at them as opportunities to figure out, oh, did I not understand something about the logic or the process or both?
Definitely the logic.
So here is the logic, right? And then but now you fix that, next time you encounter it, you're going to get it right.